Okay guys, so I saw a video on Facebook. Lady made kinetic sand with like 4 ingredients. We're gonna try to do that today. Let's see how it works. So here's what you're gonna need. Some fine clay sand. This is just white. I got food color so we can color the sand.
We got cornstarch.
Cornstarch and some liquid dish soap.
And then two forks.
Yep.
We got
2 forks and some measuring spoons. I'm gonna make green and you're gonna make blue.
Okay.
Okay, so we need a cup of sand each. And then, guys, this is super fine clay sand. Look how fine this is.
We're doing the Seahawk color.
Yeah, so we're gonna do 1 cup of sand per bowl.
Oh,
we need water too. Next, we're gonna need 1 teaspoon of dish soap. So Matt, I'm gonna pour the dish soap. Yeah, it's real sand. So
Like
we need
beach
about a
sand?
teaspoon, huh?
Like beach sand?
No, it's fine sand, I don't know. So we need 1 teaspoon of soap apiece. And then we're gonna do like 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, okay?
Good.
Okay, so now what we're gonna do, 1 tablespoon for me,
I mixed it up.
1 tablespoon for you, okay? We're gonna mix those up, and I'm gonna add the food color, okay? You're doing blue or green?
I want to do blue.
Okay, Matt's doing blue. Okay. So start mixing that up. I'm gonna do green.
This is a dark blue.
Well, once I think we get everything going, it'll look good, okay? Start mixing it up. I'm gonna add just a little bit of water, a little bit at a time, guys. Okay, you wanna make it,
Oh, yep, I feel like
see
it's
if
turning
sand,
into
okay?
sand. I feel like actual beach sand.
so, okay guys, so this is what it looks like when you're done, okay? So it's just this mixture of sand and water and soap. Okay, so now we gotta let this sit for 2 hours to kind of evaporate some of that water out of there, and then it turns into kinetic sand. Okay, so we are gonna let this dry for 2 hours, and we'll be back and we'll show you how this turned out, okay? And we'll see you in a second. All right, okay guys, so we're back, Nami. Can you see, what can you see? Can you just see this right here?
No, I can see the whole table, even those boxes.
Oh, man, that's totally where my goes. Okay, guys, so we're back. Okay, guys, so we're back. And these are how our kinetic sands turned out. They turned out really well, didn't they?
Yep.
It's just like real kinetic sand, guys. It's like, look how flowy and just looks exactly like kinetic sand. So that recipe really worked out well. It's look at that. That's real kinetic sand, guys.
Here.
Yeah, look at Matt's. Matt turned out even the same. Just blue. Yeah, this is just great stuff. It really works. We didn't buy kinetic sand and replace it with that other sand.
No, we didn't.
We didn't do that at all, did we? We would not trick you guys at all. Not us. Okay guys, so that recipe did not work. And if you've seen that video on Facebook, it's got like 77 million views, and they tricked everybody. They trick you. She just replaced the real kinetic sand.
Real kinetic sand. We tried to be that lady, but we told you guys that we
So that stuff just
it.
dries out. Once the water evaporates, it just dries out into like regular sand. It just turns right
So
back into regular sand.
We actually did replace it with real kinetic sand.
Okay guys, I hope you liked our video. It was just like a funny little goofy thing.
So guys, thumbs up,
subscribe, and all that fun stuff. And leave a comment below.
Like it, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Okay, what do you want them to leave in a comment below?
What?
What do you want them to leave in the comments below?
I don't know, whatever they want.
And we'll see you guys next time.
Bye.
Okay, bye guys.